when I'm outside, I want them to be like, okay, like, yeah.
We finished and I will go. It's whatever you want. I wanna please.
So long, I need a bag. Next up, I need a check, yeah. Shawty on 10 to the go up. Bring that to the crib and show love.
shit like the shine. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to float. I already paid the pole. Niggas too scared to go.
Okay, so this is the final little product. Comment down below if how you feel. But I'm gonna tap in with you guys a little later. I'm about to go ahead and eat this. I have some editing to do, and I'm gonna come back in a minute. Okay, y'all, I don't know, I think today is Thursday, and I haven't talked to y'all in a while. It's been a few days since I talked to you. Right now, I'm at the gym getting ready to get it in, and I'm on an early session, you feel me? Because, and when I tell y'all that I need to get it together, I need to get it all the way together. I have this trip that's coming up that I want to be really snatched for. Like, when I'm outside, I want them to be like, okay, like, yeah. I want them to be like, yeah, she been getting to it. Like, you know, you been getting into it. I'm going back into a cut. I haven't really been in a cut. I've been in a lightweight. So I've been in like a baby cut, and so I've been thinking about this for a few days. Like, I'm gonna get deeper into the cut. I'm about to get deep into the cut like I was before. Right now, I've been giving some leeway, because, you know, you're supposed to technically be in the cut for a little bit, get out of it, blah blah blah, get back in it, whatever. You're not supposed to stay in a cut continuously, you know. So therefore, I'm gonna get back into it because I got things to do. So let's get ready to go hit this gym, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.
My neck bright, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new coupe, got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that west side. I'm in that new coupe, got been fired. I get that check right. Don't do no fake love. Tell Lil' bruh shape up. The way we lit, they throwing shade, but they never say nothing. I'm that maze runner. I been on the stage done. My drip on Blade Runner. And the way we move, it ain't no creases on my A1s. 2021 about to be mine, word to my day ones. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy. I learn from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's oh well. I just tied the knot linked to the game, she got a pill. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket till the bill. Quick to flip a bill, I'm about to profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping, I'm a boss. Yeah, Getting top in the backseat. Record critic and the analytic. Independent and we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Tough loss, keep it tucked off. It's something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall, right? Look at my neck, bright. I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. Off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Yeah, I been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check, right? I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. Off of that side. I'm in that new coupe. Got been fired. Next fashion week, we touching pay. Yeah, that's necessary. Double G kid, she speaking French, but I'm not understanding. Mom sent those flicks of my daddy that drip hereditary. Let him talk it like I ain't next. Let me just prove that theory. I don't do pretend. I don't like percents. I'm not cool with friends of friends. I don't do the trends. I set them. I ain't like it. I can't do contend. Double rope chain necklace make her wet. She jumping out of skin. The Brody almost caught her straight from round away on split decision. We treat now like all we got is the moments we in. Always want to keep it real. Lately I can't really tell.
Thanks for watching this video. Now if you want to see more workout videos, go ahead and comment down below and let me know the deal. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join the squad, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Okay, let me show this water right here.
Only been days, but it felt like
Look at my nails. This water right here is